Hello guys, in this video it is an update for ZK-AS21P power amplifier module. I designed my own power amplifier box and this is how it looks like. This is the tune control for the power amplifier and the mic control. This one is step down buck converter to supply the microphone control board, because the control board for microphone is just only 25 volts and the main supply is 50 volts. Speaker output, this black wire for power supply, and this is the power supply that I use for this amplifier. The brand is Huawie R4850N6. According to the description, the input voltage is 200 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, and the second is 100 to 120 volts, 17 amps, and the output output voltage and amp is 53.5 volts and 56 amps. However, after installing this wire for AC, and I choose this is for 220, and if I use this one is for 120 volts. After installing the 220 AC, I'm in trouble because there's no output in here. After checking the multimeter and then I do some research, I found out that it needs to short this two tiny copper on this board. The one is at the back, the back side, this one. From here I short in here, I just connected on here, and then after that connected to the negative side. This is the negative and this is the positive. So after connecting that one and then test again using the multimeter, the output voltage, it is 52.5. I can use this power supply to the power amplifier. Supply voltage limit to this amplifier is up to 53 volts. So this one is just only 52 volts. I'm happy on that, and I will try. The huawie amplifier is turning on. As you can see, the fan is running, and also the step down buck converter, the lead light is on. So I play some music. Hear the sound. It is a John Bon Jovi song. So guys, that's all. If you enjoyed the topic that I produced today, kindly please subscribe, and if you have any questions in regards to this, kindly please comment to the comment section box. I will reply as early as my opportunity. Thank you for watching guys. See you to my next video.